Good morning, Standard 5. Children, today we are going to start our 7th chapter, Enhancing a Presentation. In last chapter, we had discussed about PowerPoint software and uses of presentation. Okay, then I taught you how to create a presentation, how to format content of the slides, then how to add pictures, clip art, shapes, word art. Okay, all these things we had done in last chapter. Okay, I hope you understood all those and you have done practice of that. Okay, you have to do. Okay, if you have computer at home, please do practice. Okay, now our next chapter is enhancing presentation. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about how to enhance a presentation, means how to make our presentation more beautiful. Okay, we can change background of slide. Okay, then animation can be added, picture and shapes, whatever objects we have added in last chapter, so we can animate all those. Okay, picture can be animated, shapes can be animated. Okay, so different visual effects can be given. Understood? So in this chapter we are going to talk about all those things. Okay, so first topic is applying a theme, given at page number 85. Applying a theme. Okay, so theme, what is theme? So theme is a set of background designs. Okay, every slide you see, there is no background of this slide, and in every slide you see there is nothing at background, white. It is white only, है ना? So we can change. Okay, we can set some background designs here. We can change fonts, whatever is written, no? So its font can be changed, color, layout of the slide. Okay, so these things we can change. Okay, using theme. Okay, after applying theme, we can change background of the slide, color and font style. So now, to change theme, we have to go to Design tab. Here it is, Design tab. Okay, see. Here is Design tab, just beside the Insert. Okay, this one. Clear? So when you click on Design tab, click. These are themes. Okay, these are themes. So there is more button. This one is more button. Okay, when you taking closer, this is more button. Okay, when you click on this more button, so this whole theme gallery comes, है ना? So many themes are given. So whichever theme you like, okay, you can choose it from here. Understood? This one, back side you see themes changed. Okay, if you want this one or whichever you like, suppose this one, choosing this. Okay, so here you see this is background of the slide. Okay, light blue color has come. Okay, so to change theme, no, you have to go to Design tab, click on more button here and choose whichever theme, whichever you like, and it can be applied to all the slide. Understood? And if you want this theme, okay, this theme only for the selected slide, do right click. Okay, apply to all slide, apply to selected slide. If you want to apply this theme only for the selected slide, Okay, here my first slide is selected. Okay, so if I'll click on this option now, so it will be applied on only first slide. Okay, suppose I want to change this one. Understood? So only the selected slide theme will be changed. Clear? So this way themes can be applied. Okay, now see, themes group in the design tab provide options to change color scheme, font style, theme, and change the effect. See, there are 3 buttons. Here we see color, font, and effects. Okay, color, I hope it is visible. Okay, color, if you click on color, so color scheme. Okay, several schemes are there, whichever you like. Okay, so can be applied. I'm going to choose this one, waveform. Okay. So this is color scheme. So color scheme can be changed. Okay, font, whichever font you like can be selected. So here fonts. Okay, so when you click on this fonts now, so it will show you several options for font. Impact, suppose this one impact. So impact, do right click on it and apply to all slides. Okay, so will be applied to all the slides. Clear? And these are effects: adjacency, aspect, clarity. Okay, so these are effects. Okay, whichever you want, so can be chosen. Okay, effects. Okay, now next topic is 87, slide background. Page number 87, slide background. Okay, the slide background we can change. Okay, whenever we create a new presentation, so generally slide appears with white background. Okay, with the white background by default. But okay, we can change background. Okay, as per our requirement we can change it. So here is background style of design tab, this option, background style option. Here it is present in the design tab. Here you see this is design tab, background style option. Okay, now when you click here, okay, so these are different options. Okay, if you can choose from here too, and format background. So now here you see I changed background into white. Okay, now we will change background style. Okay, it is white now, completely white. Okay, now one by one we will see all the background style. So this is background style option. First one only white, and these are different color scheme which can be applied. Okay, if you go to the format background, okay, format background option shows you these options. Okay, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill, hide background. You see, solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern. Okay, so solid fill, if you choose solid fill, so it gives you color option to fill color. Okay, so whichever color you like, you can choose. Okay, and then click on apply to all. So you can see every slide's background is now changed into this color. Okay, blue color. Clear? This is option of solid fill. Solid fill color in the background. Single color. This is single colored background. Okay, solid fill gives single colored background. Clear? Okay, gradient fill. Gradient fill, it shows gradient or shaded background. Okay, now you see when I click on gradient. Okay, so go to the color. So this is color scheme, different shades of color. So if you want this one, okay, suppose this, I'm choosing this one. Okay, so different shades have come, you know, selected only, applied on first slide, selected slide. When I'll click on apply to all, no, so it will be select applied on all slides. But before applying all slide, we can do some more changes here. Linear, how do you want this one? Radial, so this is radial effect. Okay, if you want rectangular, so this is rectangular effect here. Okay, this is path. Okay, this is path effect. Okay, then shade from the file. So I am choosing here radial. Clear? So whichever you like, you can choose. Okay, direction also, what type of direction? This one, in which direction radial you want, at the center. Okay, so at the center. Clear? So these are different options of this gradient fill. Clear, no? So gradient fill make background color shaded. Okay, shaded. Okay, so now when I'll click on apply to all, no, so this background gradient fill, okay, this option which I chosen radial one. Okay, so you can see it is applied to all the slide, isn't it? So background can be changed. Gradient fill understood. Now next is picture or texture. So picture, if you want to insert picture, go to the insert file, insert from file option, insert from file option. Okay, here click, and whichever picture you want to add. Okay, I have some pictures, some I have taken from Google. Okay, so whichever picture you want to add, suppose this one. Okay, insert. You can see picture is applied, but it is applied only on one slide. है ना? Background style, format background. Okay, picture, it is already selected from file. Okay, this one. Okay, inserted. So you have to select your slide where you want to add picture from file. Now in next slide, if you want another picture, suppose this one, insert. Okay, so this way picture can be added at the background. Okay, whichever picture you should have in your computer. Okay, so picture you can insert as background. Okay. Here you see our third presentation. Go to the design tab, background style, format background, and go to the picture or texture field, then insert from file, and now this time if you want to add this, insert. Okay, here is the option apply to all. So same picture will be applied to all the pictures. Apply to all. Okay, apply to all option. Done. Okay, now texture. For texture you have to go to the texture option. Okay, whichever texture you want. Okay, select that texture. Okay, so if you click on apply to all, so the texture will be applied to all the slide. See, this is texture appeared on every slide. So texture, picture, pattern, all can be inserted. Pattern fill. Next is given pattern fill. Okay, here background style, format background, pattern fill. Click on pattern fill option here. Okay, so whichever pattern you like, first of all select that. Okay, suppose this pattern. Okay, now there are two color options, foreground color and background color. So suppose I want this one, foreground, and this color for background. So this type of pattern will appear. Okay, and if you click on apply to all, so it will be applied to all the pattern. Okay, so these are options clear for changing the background. Understood, no? Background style, format background, pattern. This pattern, its foreground color, its background color. Okay, and then click on apply to all. So for this, see, understood? So pattern can be filled. This is applied to all the slides. Pattern and now applied to all the slides. Okay. So this is done now. In next video I will explain you about transition. Okay. Till then, bye.